Good evening, students. Today, the topic which we are going to discuss is food nutrition in humans. In last videos, we have discussed about different mode of nutrition. We have discussed about human dentition and their pattern, different kind of teeth and their structure. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about different kind of nutrients and their nutritive values. Let's understand what is nutrients. Whatever we are eating in a food, that is nutrients. Nutrients are those elements present in the food which provide the body with energy, जो एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, इनेबल इट टू ग्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं, रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस, जो किसी तरीके की रिपेयरमेंट में हेल्प करते हैं. We have almost 40 essential nutrients. We are not going to discuss about 40 essential nutrients, but we are going to discuss about major nutrients. So what is nutrients? A substance that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for growth. ऐसे substance जो nourishment के लिए require हैं, लाइफ के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, ग्रोथ के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, रिपेयर और मेंटेनेंस के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, एनर्जी के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, आर कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फिश इज अ सोर्स ऑफ मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स. It include protein, it include vitamins, it include minerals. There are certain nutrients, they are rich in one kind of nutrients majorly, like potato. It is enriched in carbohydrate, but along with carbohydrate, it has a less amount of fat, protein. But fish is a good source of nutrient because it includes protein, vitamins, minerals. Milk is a good nutrient. It consists of protein, fat. Okay. Now, basically, we have three kind of nutrients. One is energy-rich food. Another one is protective food, and the another one is bodybuilding food. In energy rich food, basically we have carbohydrate and fat, and here are some examples which provide of the nutrients which provide us carbohydrate or fat, like honey. It is a good source of nutrient. Apple, egg, sweet potato, salmon, oranges, bananas, oats, beans, spinach, yogurt, almonds, they are the good source of nutrients, and generally we get energy from these resources. Honey is a very good source of energy. Another one is bodybuilding food. Generally proteins are there, and again salmon, you have discussed it. It gives you carbohydrate, it provides you energy, it provides you protein also. Beef, soyabean is the richest source of protein. We can have soya milk, we can have soya flour, आटा हो सकता है, we can have soya curd, we can have soya paneer, and it is a good source of protein. Chicken, eggs, bananas, quinoa seed, oatmeals, casein milk में होता है. These are the good source of protein. Now the question, why protein is required? Protein is required to make cellular elements. Cellular elements, like it is required for the formation of cell membrane. If you remember, when we have discussed the structure of cell membrane, we have discussed cell membrane is made up of protein and fat. So protein is required. It is required for the formation of bone and cartilage. It is required for the formation of intracellular structures, like it is required for the formation of different cell organelles. It is required for the repairment of the tissues. The another one is protective food, that is vitamins and minerals. There are a lot of vitamins. We have vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K. We have certain minerals. These all are the minerals. Cobalt, chloride, copper, iron, potassium, magnesium, sodium, phosphorus, all these protective food are required to protect us from diseases, and their deficiency can lead diseases. Now, basically, we have two kind of nutrients. One is macronutrients, which are required in high amount. One is micronutrients, which are required in less quantity. Macronutrients are carbohydrate, protein and fat, which are required in comparatively more amount. Micronutrients, which are required in comparatively less amount, vitamins and minerals. Now let's discuss protein first. Protein is one of the macronutrient. Protein is made up of nitrogen. Protein may consist of sulfur also. They are known as building blocks of the body. They are made up of basic unit that is called amino acids. In general, if we are talking about adults, adults require 20 amino acids while children required 22 amino acids. There are two categories of amino acids. One is essential amino acids or amino acids. Another one is non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids or amino acids, they have to be ingested in diet because they are not present in your body. आपको खाने के साथ में लेने ही पड़ेंगे. Non-essential amino acids are already present in our body naturally. So we are not supposed to include them in diet. Now if we are talking about protein as per the rich sources, there are two kinds of protein rich sources. One is biologically adequate protein and another one is biologically inadequate protein. Biologically adequate protein, these contain all the essential amino acids like milk, egg, meat, and biologically inadequate protein, these lack at least one essential amino acids like vegetable is there, proteins are there, beans, peas, gram, बायोलॉजिकली इनएडुकेट प्रोटीन है, यानी कि उनमें सारे तरीके के एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स नहीं होते हैं, कोई ना कोई एक अमीनो एसिड एब्सेंट होता है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई प्रोटीन इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड हु रिक्वायर मोर प्रोटीन? एनी टीन एज गर्ल, if we compare a boy of a 12-year age in comparison of 12-year girl, a 12-year girl require more protein because in teenage they need more protein because they have more variation in their body. उनकी बॉडी में फिजियोलॉजिकली एंड स्ट्रक्चरली ज़्यादा चेंजेस आते हैं, फिजिकली ज़्यादा चेंजेस आते हैं. फॉर दैट मोर एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड, मोर प्रोटीन इज रिक्वायर्ड. लैक्टेटिंग मदर मीन्स फीडिंग मदर, नर्सिंग मदर, जो बच्चे को दूध पिलाती हैं, they require more protein. They require protein for their own body, they require protein for the child also. Pregnant mother, they require more protein. और एक चीज को समझ के रखिए, if we have anyone in our family who is pregnant, we have to take lot of care because she need lot of protein. She need protein because she is losing lot many cells during this process. वो सेल बनाने के लिए प्रोटीन चाहिए. And she is preparing a child, एक बच्चा बना रही हैं. We need lot of cells to make that child. उसके लिए प्रोटीन चाहिए. In comparison of young age and old age people also require more protein because उनकी immunity poor होती जाती है, तो इम्यूनिटी के लिए, एनर्जी के लिए उनको ज़्यादा प्रोटीन चाहिए. एडोलसेंस स्टेज पर हमें बाकी स्टेजेस के कंपैरेटिवली वी रिक्वायर मोर प्रोटीन. नाउ व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ प्रोटीन? देयर आर बेसिकली 5 functions of protein. Proteins are required for growth, and for growth we have some structural protein. These structural protein helps in the formation of new cells or new tissues. They helps in the replacement of worn out cells. We have some regulatory proteins. Regulatory proteins are used during chemical reactions like enzymes. There are enzymes like pepsin, erapsin. These are the enzymes which are required to digest different kind of the food items. And for your kind information, all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. Hormones, all hormones are not protein, but there are certain hormones, those who act as protein, like insulin, glucagon. Protective proteins are there. All the antibodies which are present in our body. What are antibodies? Antibodies fights against the antigen, and these antibodies are present in our body, and they provide protection. Movement, for movement, actin and myosin proteins are there which are required for movement. Transport proteins, transport proteins are the proteins which are required for the transportation of oxygen molecule, like hemoglobin is a transport protein. Now let's discuss about carbohydrates. We have two kinds of carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are monosaccharides and disaccharides, and complex carbohydrates are polysaccharides, like they are made up of more than 2 basic unit of glucose. In monosaccharides we have glucose, we have fructose, we have galactose. In disaccharide we have maltose, lactose and sucrose. And in polysaccharides, examples are starches, fibers and glycogen. In the last of this video, I will tell how we can have monosaccharide and disaccharide. Okay. Why carbohydrates are called carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are called carbohydrates because they are made up of carbon, and hydrates means water. They have composition like water. What is the chemical formula of glucose? C6H12O6. So H12O6, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. Okay. Functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are required for energy supply. This is a good source of energy. They provide around 4.1 kilocalories. Now what is food calorie? क्या होते हैं? Food calorie is the amount of energy which required to raise the temperature of 1000 gram of water for 1 degree Celsius. किसी पानी के टेम्परेचर को 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस बढ़ाने के लिए कितने पानी के 1 किलोग्राम पानी के जितनी एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड 1 कैलोरी. सो दे हैव 4.1 किलो कैलोरी, मतलब हम 1 किलोग्राम से इतना कैलोरी बना सकते हैं. सो दे आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एनर्जी. Bowel movement means they require to remove undigested cellulose which we take during the रफेज. हम रफेज के फॉर्म में लेते हैं, तो ये बोवेल मूवमेंट में यानी कि फीकल मैटर के रिमूवल में हेल्प करते हैं. दे रेगुलेट फैट मेटाबॉलिज्म. सी, फैट प्रोवाइड मोर एनर्जी इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, बट यू नो वी कैन नॉट टेक फैट अलोन. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि फैट से हमें 9.1 किलो कैलोरीज मिलती हैं इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. तो ये थोड़ी है कि हम एक चम्मच, अभी हमारे पास में टाइम नहीं है तो चलो एक ज़्यादा एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड है, कौन खाना बनाए, कौन चपाती खाए, लेट्स ईट 1 स्पून ऑफ घी और बटर. नहीं, आप कभी भी नोटिस कर लीजिए, इफ़ वी आर कंज्यूमिंग घी, बटर, ऑयल, वॉट एवर वी आर ईटिंग एज अ फैट, सबके साथ में हम कोई ना कोई कार्बोहाइड्रेट लेते हैं. वी यूज़ चपाती, वी यूज़ राइस, वी यूज़ ब्रेड, anything like that. So they are required for the metabolism of fat. They provide support to protein. Again, very rare. There are not many people, those who are on protein diet, but we cannot live for protein on protein diet for a long time. जनरली वी कंज्यूम कार्बोहाइड्रेट अलॉन्ग विद द प्रोटीन. आप दाल के साथ में चपाती खाते हैं. दाल इज अ प्रोटीन, चपाती इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट. आप दाल के साथ में राइस खाते हैं, राइस इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट. कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम खाली दाल खाते हैं? नॉट जनरली. यदि हमें चपाती खाने का मन नहीं है एंड वी वांट टू टेक समथिंग लाइट, देन वी ईट खिचड़ी. एंड व्हाट खिचड़ी? दैट इज दाल एंड चावल. द दाल इज, pulses are proteins, that rice is carbohydrate. We mix it with dalia, that dalia is carbohydrate. Okay. Now fats. Fats are fats or lipids. Lipids आपने कहाँ पढ़ा है? It is required for the formation of cell membrane. There are two kinds of fats, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fats can't hold any more hydrogen and they are solid at room temperature, like ghee. Unsaturated fats can hold more hydrogen and they are generally liquid at room temperature. We can convert unsaturated fat into saturated fat, like vegetable oil in presence of hydrogen and nickel can be converted into vegetable ghee, the dalda. आपने देखा है डालडा? यदि आपने कभी देखा है तो डालडा के पैकेट के ऊपर एक छोटा सा ट्री बना हुआ होता है, दैट इज अ वेजिटेबल घी. वेजिटेबल घी मतलब जनरली घी हम किससे निकालते हैं? मलाई से, दूध से. दैट इज अ एनिमल प्रोडक्ट. बट वेजिटेबल घी, दैट इज डालडा, इज वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल that is not extracted from the animals. पहले प्लांट से हम वेजिटेबल ऑयल निकालते हैं एंड उस वेजिटेबल ऑयल को वी रिएक्ट विद हाइड्रोजन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ निकल एंड वी कन्वर्ट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेजिटेबल घी. Okay. Now functions of fat. There are different functions of fat. Fat is good source of energy. They provide approximately 9.1 to 9.3 kilocalories of heat. They have high calorific value. Calorific value क्या होता है? मिनिमम पर ग्राम या पर किलोग्राम से आप कितना एनर्जी गेन करते हैं. They have structural role. They are required in the formation of some substances in cytoplasm like fat granules के लिए. They are required for the formation of nuclear membrane, mitochondrial membrane. They are required for the formation of cell membrane. Okay. They provide insulation, means they protect your body against the temperature. They helps in the regulation of temperature. They act as a cushion. ये दो organs के बीच में cushion के जैसे काम करते हैं. So they protect the internal organs. We have two kind of vitamins. One of the vitamin which is soluble in water like B and C, and one of the group of vitamin is fat soluble vitamin. ADEK, ADEK. आप क्या याद रखेंगे? हेडेक याद नहीं रखना है आपको, एडिक याद रखना है. ADEK. They are soluble in fat and they are used as preserved food or reserved food. Means whenever your body can take food from which is already present in your body. Now as I told you, I will discuss how we have different kind of carbohydrates. Okay. The normal formula of carbohydrate is C6H12O6. This is the common formula of carbohydrate and these are monosaccharides. Now if we want to make disaccharide, if we want to make disaccharide, what we have to do? We have to take two molecules of glucose or monosaccharide, C6H12O6, C6H12O6. They will combine, they will release one molecule of water and form C12H22O11. This is the example of disaccharide. Similarly, if we want to make polysaccharide, those who are having more than 2, C6H12O6. if we are taking its n number of molecules, they will release n number of water molecule in form. इसमें से आप water molecule निकाल देंगे तो आपको पता है कार्बन, number of carbon will remain same. It is not going to change because only water will remove. C6H10O5 n number of molecules. तो जितने भी यहाँ से देखिए वाटर का मॉलिक्यूल निकल गया एंड उतने ही वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल निकलेंगे जितने ही आपके मोनोसैकेराइड्स जुड़ते चले जाते हैं. ओके, सो वन मोर टॉपिक इज हियर, वन इज कोलेस्ट्रॉल. कोलेस्ट्रॉल जो होता है दैट इज लाइक देयर आर सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ फैट्स, अनसैचुरेटेड फैट विच आर मोर रिएक्टिव देन सैचुरेटेड फैट. अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स आर इजी टू डाइजेस्ट. अनसैचुरेटेड फैट क्या होते हैं? जो रूम टेम्परेचर पर लिक्विड होते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड सैचुरेटेड फैट सॉलिड होते हैं लाइक घी. दे आर मोर स्टेबल, दे स्टोर इन आवर बॉडी. एज सच दे प्रोड्यूस मोर ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बनाते हैं. ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल यदि आपकी बॉडी में जमा होता है देन इट मे कॉज अ डिजीज दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्टीरियोस्क्लेरोसिस, जिसकी वजह से हमें बहुत सारे हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. सो दिस ऑल आई वांट टू डिस्कस फॉर टुडे. नाउ योर होमवर्क इज just do exercise 2 and tomorrow we will discuss this exercise 2. Till then, take care. Goodbye.